In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to buy an item on Depop. Let's get started. First, launch your Depop app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the home page. Scroll to the items. Select the item that you want to purchase. After you select it, here you can make your offer. For that, click on this option, Offer. Now, Depop will usually suggest a price you can offer. If you want to change it, simply delete the suggested amount and enter your own offer. Keep in mind that you generally can't offer less than a certain percentage of the listed price, so make sure your offer is reasonable. Now I can click on Send Offer. If the seller accepts it, you can easily buy it. But in case you are satisfied with the price, you can click on the option Buy. With that, the selected item will be added to your cart. Now click on the cart icon given at the top right. Here you're going to find all the items. Now click on Checkout. Now provide your shipping details. Likewise, select your payment type. Now fill up your payment details and confirm your order. This way you can easily buy an item on Depop. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.